up, pretty gang? It's your favorite motherfucking nail tech, Peaches, back with another video. You guys, it's gonna be my birthday. It's Friday, March 21st, 1:56 a.m. And let me tell you something. Baby girl is completely ready for the birthday, okay? My birthday is actually Saturday, March 22nd. Now, what you guys are watching is me do my nails on Tuesday, Wednesday, okay? Now, I apologize that the full process is not recorded. Listen, the last couple weeks have been kicking my tail. Truthfully, the last 6 months to a year has been kicking my tail. But baby, when I say every single day something has gone wrong, it has, okay? And has been, okay? Now look, this is not a tutorial. You guys are just gonna watch me do my thug thizzle while I tell you a little bit about what's going on and the plans and the vibe for the weekend. Okay, so fun fact, I do money nails for my birthday literally every year. I have been doing that since nail school, okay, back in 2019. So this is like literally, what, 6 years of doing money nails. Now, the very first money nails I did, you could probably scroll on my Instagram page and find them. They were like literally as thick as a turtle shell. Okay, and I'm not even kidding. I could not even use tip cutters to cut them off. I had to like file them down significantly before the tip cutters would even fit. And the crazy thing is that was a year that, you know, Cardi B's song Money, Money, that song came out. Why did I tag her and the song literally everywhere, Snapchat, Instagram, everywhere, thinking that she was gonna see my nails and that I was gonna do Cardi B's nails? Like, do you know how ridiculous that sounds? That's where I was at. But since then, every year I've did a different like rendition of money nails, and honestly this year is one of my favorites. So let me tell you what the vision is. Okay, the whole vision for my birthday is like giving ghetto fabulous. Okay, it's giving that girl, that bitch, that that who, that's me. Okay, so I've been really digging the like 3D nail trend, like with the 3D gel and stuff, especially chrome. So I decided like, okay, I knew I want like a mix and match set, meaning I did not want every nail the same, because last year I just did all 10 ombre and I think I added bling, and the year before I think all 10 were just encapsulated money. So this particular time, right, I was like, okay, I started out thinking I wanted more encapsulation than what I did, hence why the other hand has the middle finger. You see the middle finger? It has some weird encapsulation stuff. Thought it was a good idea. I decided like, you know what? I think I'm gonna cover that up. So on this hand, I didn't even fool with that. So we have 2 money nails pretty much, and the rest is just going to be gold goodness. Now, somewhere in my head, I got it that I wanted a really like gold look. I had bought some gold heels from Aloe, and I already knew I was gonna have gold on my nails, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to like lean heavy into the gold because I have gold shoes. Which, fun fact, the shoes that I had bought did not even go with none of the outfits that I had. The only thing was the fact that my outfits that I got off of Fashion Nova, child, honey, a couple of things didn't fit how they were supposed to fit, which really had pissing me off, you know, because now I'm like, I got half-ass outfits. So the gold heels that I thought was gonna go with certain stuff, them whole outfits didn't even work, okay? So I had to order another package, which came yesterday as soon as I was leaving the house to go to dinner to kick off my birthday. Child, that's another thing. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, there is a lot missing out of this process. All you need to know was that I decided I wanted cap in pink because it was giving me nostalgia, because when I was first doing nails, I literally used to cap everything in pink. Any encapsulation, I'm not even using clear, okay? So many of the nails that I did back in the day were tinted pink because I just thought it was literally the cutest motherfucking thing ever. Okay, so I knew, boom, we're gonna make sure everything is capped in pink. And then I knew I just wanted a lot of 3D like gold on top. Now, I also knew that I really did not want a lot of charms and stuff, but I knew for a fact, big fact, that I wanted the number 30 on my nails. And then I was like, dang, if I do a 30 charms on the other nails, I need something on the other hand. So that's why on this hand I did a peak. Now, if you want to see like more steps, you guys can check out a video that I posted here on YouTube as a short, and I posted a reel on Instagram. I'm using my non-dominant hand, so I mean, technically, is it exactly what you want to see? I don't know, but technically I do my non-dominant hand first. I mean, y'all, it's 2 a.m, literally 2 on the dot. Like, please, I need to get some sleep. No, so basically I like to do my right hand first because I can navigate using my dominant hand with nails to do nails more than using my non-dominant hand to do nails with nails on. Don't ask me why. Is what it is. So anyways, the vibe is ghetto fabulous, right? So I got a Von Dutch dress, mini dress, that I'm gonna wear with black bow high heels, even though I really didn't. I might wear them with the gold high heels, but because the Von Dutch dress is not the exact color that it came off Fashion Nova, it's like a more of orange instead of like a yellowy orange. The gold is clashing. And then I'm like, damn, I don't want to wear my like mini bolero type black jean jacket with that, but I damn near have to, because what other jacket am I gonna wear? Okay, like, you get where my dilemma is. So then the other thing that happened is everything that me and my homegirl had set up, like, okay, this night we're gonna do this, that night we're gonna do that, they tried to motherfucking play us on the music, because I like to go out when it's like hip-hop, R&B, you know, kind of that type of music, if you catch my drift. Now every time this particular place tell me that, okay, we got hip-hop and rap, they like to trick me, especially because I be getting booths for literally dirt cheap. I'm talking about cheap, like in the double digits cheap, okay? And so at that point, I'm like, looking at the lineup finally, I'm like, they try to play me again. There's no way we're doing that. So not only have we been switching locations, which means I gotta low-key switch outfits. So on one of the days, what I thought I was going to wear a wife beater dress, I had ordered another dress from Fashion Nova that's a little bit more dressier, because, okay, we're going to the club stuff, right? But the club that kind of tried to play me with the music, I'm like, we're going there Friday instead of Saturday, which means my Von Dutch dress is probably going to be for that. And then the actual dressy club dress is going to be for a place on Sunday, child. Let me tell you, it is hard keeping up with these plans. But guess what? That's just what we do. Okay. Now, what you need to do is follow me on TikTok and Instagram, prettyface_peaches, because let me tell you something. That's where everything is going to be at. Okay. And if you haven't already followed me, this is your chance to do so. I'm going to go ahead and give you a second to do it. Boom. Now, you guys see me placing bling, right? Now, at first, I wanted to leave the middle empty, but I decided not to, because I'm like, we need something. I just really loved how the P nail came out, and I wanted to like take more inspiration from that and run with it. I did want a little bit of bling, but not enough to make me be here all day and all freaking night. Now you see on the other hand, that's had that little encapsulation that I said don't even trip about. I threw on the 30 charms there and some 3D gel and covered it in chrome and called it a day, and who can freaking tell? Now let me tell you, these have to be some of my favorite birthday nails that I have done in recent years, because I am literally so obsessed. The gold, the 3D, the money, the clear pink, the everything, the matching gold chrome toes with the gold chrome 3D on the big motherfucking toe. Come on.
I'm a fan too.
Yes, he's very much a fan. Now look, I'm just saying, this set hands down is in my top 3 of nails that I've done on myself, probably, but definitely it's up there on my birthday nails. Now, like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm sorry this part's missing. You know, y'all ask me why don't I record my nails, and this is why. Between work, between planning, between this and that, if I make a mistake on a nail, everything takes so long, but I'm trying to do better. I have one more video of me doing my nails, a plain set, but I've tried different nail tips, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I was a fan of them in the end. But if you guys like this particular content, don't forget, follow me on social media. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube. Turn on notifications. I appreciate you guys for watching. Listen, if you're 30+ club, comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. You don't need to do it. Okay, you can do it.
Cause she's the greatest now.
It's over.